What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. Today we have a 2015 Yamaha V-Star 950. This bike looks awesome. The Vance & Hines pipes, I don't know. I think the wheels look great. I just think it's a really sharp looking bike. Those handlebars, those are the widest handlebars I have ever seen in my life. Not really, but they are really wide. And it has floorboards. Great. More floorboards for me to get used to. I'm so not used to floorboards, it's not even funny. Alright, so before we get going, guys, words of wisdom for the day. Psalm 42 verse 1. As the deer longs for streams of water, so my soul longs for you, God. Alright, let's get going on this thing. Man, look at the size of this gas tank. This is a big motorcycle. Alright, let's get going. So, the other day, I rode a different V-Star that had floorboards on it, and I scraped one of them going around a corner, which wasn't that big of a deal, but it's like I'm not used to like having a floor to put my feet on. I'm used to having foot pegs, which is fine. Who knows? Maybe the more of these I ride, the more I'll be like, no, they're great and I love them. For right now, though, with me still getting used to them, it's just that there's a lot of getting used to them. Whoa, the brakes are good on this. Just tap the back brake and it'll stop you. It'll stop you in a hurry. Yeah, the brakes are excellent on it. All right, let's go. Woo! Okay, this is actually, I like this engine. This is a pretty slick engine. Trying to move around on the seat and find the best spot to sit. I don't know how to sit on these things. Yeah, this is definitely, like, if you were a bigger guy, like, well, somebody just bigger than me in general, this would be a good bike for you. I can tell you that already. I got short legs. I got kind of short legs and a longer torso. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I was right here. I drug a foot peg going around that corner. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, I really do like the engine in this. The clutch is amazingly light. Like, way better than I thought it was going to be. Which is a really nice surprise. Some of the other cruisers I've ridden, the clutches were really hard to kind of modulate and work. This has about the same type of clutch pull. It's a little bit stiffer than my FZ07 is, but not really by much. I mean, it's a nice light pull, and that's kind of one of my, as I become more and more experienced with riding cruisers, that's one of my, so far that is my biggest gripe about some of the cruiser bikes that I've ridden, is the clutches are just ridiculous. I mean, even on this short ride, you know, sometimes your hand will be barking a little bit at you. Not on this one. This one is it's a really nice clutch pull, which is great. I appreciate that I really do appreciate that I can't word today. I don't know how to talk. Apparently English isn't something I'm good at right now. Alright, let's try that again. I appreciate the fact that Yamaha engineered a clutch on this big cruiser bike that feels like it's got a sport bike pull to it, is what I'm getting at here. So other than that, these these bars are huge. I still can't get over how wide they are. They are comfortable though. Give you plenty of control over the bike. Just kind of lean back, pick your feet up, you know, kind of play around a little bit and just hang out. That's what this thing's for. Ooh, bop, 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 bop. So, the engine and the clutch, I've been really impressed with both of them. The engine's pretty smooth. The engine's actually very smooth, and that, like I said again, that clutch, it's just, and the brakes are excellent on it as well. So far, really kind of one of my only complaints would be the handlebars are a little too wide for me, just for me. That lady almost hit me. Whatever. Let's go. Woohoo! Trying to get that up a hill. Okay. So, yeah, that's, for me personally, there might be a few things that change about the bike, but it's all ergonomic stuff. The motorcycle itself is really, really solid. Engine feels good, the brakes are excellent, and the clutch is really good. It sounds good, it looks good, it's comfortable. I mean, again, these things are simple, guys. Like, what is there not to like about that? If it checks off all the boxes, in my head anyway, it's a good motorcycle. And I know, like, from some of the comments that I was seeing down, like, with the two of the other V-Star, or one of the other V-Star videos I did, these V-Star engines are bulletproof. Am I correct in saying that? You guys that have owned V-Stars, especially these bigger ones, for, you know, for an extended period of time, let me know. How's the reliability on them? I don't know enough about them. Other than I know what they feel like to ride. I just don't know that much about them. So I would imagine with them being Yamaha and some, like I said, some of the comments that I got on one of the other videos, it seems like the reliability is really, really good on these things, which is, you know, always a plus. But that's Yamaha for you. Yeah. Yeah, so you V-Star owners, I had fun talking to you in the comments on the other video. You know, sound off in the comments down below, especially if you own one of these bigger ones. What do you think about them? How's the reliability? I really dig it. I gotta be honest with you guys, I really, really like it. It's one of those bikes that I wish I had some more time with. You know what I mean? I wish I had longer than just 15 minutes, you know, to be able to take it on, maybe do some freeway miles on it and actually take it for like a nice long day trip someplace. You know, so I could really kind of feel out what it's like and everything. It's a mystery. It's mysterious to me, you Yamaha V-Star 950. I don't know enough about you. So yeah, guys, talk to me. Let me know let me know your experiences with the bigger V-Stars, like the 950, and even they make a couple bigger ones, right? Yeah, they make bigger ones than that. You know, let me know what you guys think about your kind of bigger V-Stars and how they've treated you over the years. I would love to talk to you guys about it, because again, I had an excellent time conversing with you folks the other day, so I'm going to keep doing that. How many miles are on this thing? Wow, this thing only has 1,328 miles on it. Okay, that's not a lot. That's not a lot at all. So I've liked this, guys. I've liked it a lot. It's a good bike. So far, I've been impressed with the V-Star line. I really have. The The 3 V-Stars that I've ridden have really been excellent motorcycles. I mean, even the older one, that I rode yesterday or the other day was a 650, and even that one was it was a lot of fun to ride. I had a really good time. I had a really good time riding it. So far, I'm telling you, the V-Star line is on point, guys. I've really enjoyed them. So, but yeah, talk to me. Let me know what you disliked about your kind of larger displacement V-Star bikes. So, alright guys, we're almost back to the shop. This is a good bike. It is for sale on the website at Srkcycles.com, and I think I mentioned it only has 1,328 miles on it. I mean, if you're in the market for a bigger cruiser, this has got to be almost a no-brainer. This is a great bike. So, like I said, bikes for sale on the website at Srkcycles.com. Thanks for coming along and hanging out with me, guys. Appreciate you sticking around. My name's Asher, and we'll see you in the next one.